Welcome friends, welcome once again to our channel. Today we will discuss about the forecast for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty for Monday, that is 20th November. Before even going into the video, let us wish our Indian team to get hold of the World Cup in today's final. I hope so and I believe so. I'm not sure what is going to happen. Two important things over here. Indian team is very strong right now than Aussies, and this is not the Australian team which was led by Ricky Ponting way back in 2003, I believe. There was the that was the time when we lost to them in finals, right? So I don't think this is the Ricky Ponting's team, and this is not Ganguly's team as well. So I believe India will win the World Cup. Let us hope for the best and a good game. Whoever wins, let it be a very good game, entertaining everybody of us. Okay, now we will move on to the analysis part. While looking into this video, please give a like and then complete here the video so that it may reach a larger audience. This is Nifty daily charts, the one which you usually see on daily basis. Now on Friday, Bank Nifty was the one which pulled Nifty, or else Nifty would have been up by 100 points on Friday also, at least minimum 100. But unfortunately, it hasn't happened because Bank Nifty has taken a hit because of the RBI announcement about unsecured loans. In that also, SBI has been hit hard. Why? Because they have a credit card division. I don't know why SBI has been hit hard. Actually speaking, SBI cards is a separate entity and it is listed as a separate entity. In fact, SBI cards only should have been gone down deep too much, but not sure why SBI also gone down, because 100% unsecured loans is only on SBI cards. Okay, whatever happened has happened. This is that's what market is all about. It is expected to do the unexpected things from us. Okay, so now, as I said earlier, super trend gives a buy signal. The next minimum 5 days, it will be on the same direction. In such case, it is only the third day, so we are left for another 2 days of a move, or at least consolidation. But there is not going to be a big fall. Okay, so if you look at this chart, this sky blue line is the 50 simple moving average, and this the next one below that pink line is the 100 simple moving average, and thereafter comes the middle point of the Bollinger Band, which is the 20 simple moving average. Nifty has strong supports at these areas, so I feel that Nifty won't break the 100 simple moving average. Maybe it can break 50 simple moving average, but it will not break 100 simple moving average in next week, most probably. Okay, so the downside supports will be like, the first support will be the 50 simple moving average, which is at 19,592. That will be the first support, and then the next support will be the 100 simple moving average, which is at 19,534. If you find tough to remember these numbers, you may remember as a round number, that is 19,500 will be the immediate rock bottom support. Only if it breaks down on the downside, we may think of shorting Nifty, or else we will stay long. Okay, on the upside, what will be the resistance? This particular point will be the resistance high of this particular zone. 19,875 will be the resistance, crossing which we will be easily hitting 20,000 within the week. One day close above 19,895. I will not get surprised. On the very next day itself, we will hit 20,000. That's how the setup is right now. Barring banks, everything is positive. Barring banks. Okay, IT has got its own mojo, and auto sector, pharma, everything is rocking except banks, right? So this is all about Nifty. And coming into Bank Nifty, we were discussing about this rising trend line, and this support should not be broken. Unfortunately, because of the bad news from RBI on Monday, I mean on Friday, it opened below this trend line and completely sustained below this trend line. Now it must cross above this line for getting its I mean momentum back. But in between, there is a support at 20 simple moving average. What is 20 simple moving average? Middle point of the Bollinger Band, that is 43,421. That will be the support. Even if that breaks, there will be next support at 43,285, which is the 200 simple moving average. So as long as these level holds, I feel that Bank Nifty after 1 or 2 days of consolidation, it will move again up on the higher side. Okay, so as of now, the supports will be like, first support will be this 20 simple moving average 43,420, and then the next support will be 43,285, which is the 200 simple moving average. On the upside, this particular day's high will be tough to cross now, because event based factor, right? This particular high, if this is crossed, we can try an attempt to cross the rising trend line also. So first resistance, or I won't say the first resistance, the only resistance which we have is 43,872. If you want any second resistance, then comes the gap area, this particular gap area, this particular zone 44,064 will be the second resistance. If you consider this 43,872 as first resistance, then the second resistance will come at 44,064. So if you ask me what kind of trade I can take based on this scenario, I can give you one trade, but it will be considered as a risky trade, actually speaking. So we don't know how markets are going to open on Monday. Even though if it opens with a little bit on green side, watch out for Bank Nifty. If Bank Nifty comes around this 20 simple moving average, what we spoke about, when it comes there, you can try a 43,500 call or 43,600 call. If you want a stop loss, if on a given day, maybe on Monday or Tuesday, Bank Nifty closes below the 20 simple moving average, you need to exit your position. Don't worry about the intraday moves. If it even if it goes 200 points below the 20 simple moving average, you need to wait till end of the day. That is why I said it is a risky call. And by end of the day, if it climbs and closes above the 20 simple moving average, hold on to your position. It will give you positive returns. Please remember the value, either 43,500 call or 43,600 call. The 20 simple moving average is somewhere around 43,420. So if this particular zone, maybe 43,400 and 400 to 450, if you see Bank Nifty over there, just pitch in and take this call. If it closes below the 20 simple moving average, you need to exit your position, or else you can stick to your position. Why I am saying to go long in Bank Nifty is, I have a justification for it, because of this guy. See this particular chart, we have drawn a falling trend line. It broke above the falling trend line and never closed below the falling trend line again, and it is consolidating for a while. If Bank Nifty is going to have a next round of up move, that will be led by this particular person, HDFC Bank. He went and made as low as 1489 on Friday, even on the negative day. But finally, he came back and closed at near the highest point of the day. In fact, this 1507.50, the high, it got punched at between 3 to 3:30. So we all very well know that when a stock closes at the highest point of the day on especially on a negative news day, definitely that stock will be the leader of the pack from in coming days. So that's the logic I am saying, I am following. So that is the reason I am saying to take a Bank Nifty call despite it broke the trend line. Okay. Um, Please give a like to this video. Have it shared to your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets, and please do comment if it is necessary. Have a nice day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.